Do you want to open the trunk of your Miata with a style? Today we're going to install the mx5 trunk lid poppers. This is the Euro version 2021.
Albert Cars.
Imagine you come from shopping at the supermarket and your hands are busy. Then you should leave the bags on the floor to open the trunk. But not anymore. These are the mx5 trunk lid poppers. The kit consists of a pair of stainless steel torsion springs, entirely in metal and slightly stronger nib. The first step is remove the screw of the popper. It's the Phillips type. The popper goes attached with a single screw at the hinge. First we imposition the screw with the hand, then we tighten with the screwdriver. And then we repeat the same process in the other side. Job done. Now you can leave free your hands for open the trunk. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.